Brand new house still needs inspection. And a lot of people think if they just bought a new house, they're good for 20, 30 years or even like a lifetime. There are no issues. That's what I think. One, what I would like to ask from you is what's the real story? How soon should people be getting things, their houses checked out?
That's a great question. And there's a two-part answer to that question. First part is it depends on where you live, right? Because different portions of the country are going to have different storms, level of storms. And then second part of that is whenever there is a storm, you definitely need to have the roof checked. And if I had to put a part three to that, it would be, annually. You want to make sure you have a roofing inspection to make sure your pipes are sealed, flashing's good. Check your granular loss on your shingles. Make sure that there are no deterioration or trees touching the eaves, things like that. Just some general maintenance. So, if it's a shingle roof or a metal roof, annual inspections are recommended. And definitely, when weather comes in, you always want to have somebody come out and take a look at it, make sure you're good. Insurance will always default to, hey, lack of maintenance. It's actually in the policies when we take a little bit closer look and, we deal with it every day. Homeowners, assume things are well until they start seeing shingles out in the front yard or it's leaking. Well, by that time, you've already gotten a larger problem. The problem's probably been pre-existing there for quite some time.